Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about how to fix unable to remove. There is an active subscription on this account. So guys, here I will show you the possible solution to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open your setting on your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here tap on media and purchases, and tap on view account. Wait for some seconds. So guys, give here your apply password. So guys, from here tap on manage payments. So guys, you will have to just make it sure that your debit or credit card credentials are correctly given here. So guys, check your card number and your date of expiry and your security code, and after this check your billing address from here. So guys, correctly add your billing name and billing address, and after this correctly add your country or region in here. So after this guys, go back and go for the other solution. So guys, after this go for the other solution, that is go back to your settings, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to just make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, disconnect all your connected VPNs, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.